Seniors, waking up at 3 a.m. is not a normal part of aging. It is your body sending an urgent distress signal. Research shows that over 72% of adults over 60 experience these nighttime awakenings due to a specific mineral deficiency. Most people blame stress, anxiety, or overthinking, but the underlying cause is often purely biological. Recent findings from Harvard Medical School suggest that a single nutrient shortfall can cause your brain to release a surge of cortisol around 2:58 a.m. This hormonal spike tricks your body into thinking it is time to wake up, effectively terminating your deep sleep cycle. Instead of performing essential metabolic repair and clearing cellular waste, your system enters a state of premature alertness. In today's video, we will examine the 5 essential minerals every senior must balance to restore their natural sleep cycle. We will count down to the #1 deficiency responsible for the infamous 3 a.m. wake-up. But first, I have to ask you, have you been told that this was just part of getting old? Write yes or no in the comments. It's time we challenge that narrative together. Let's start with number 5. Number 5, selenium. Most adults over 60 overlook this mineral, yet it plays a critical role in how your brain manages inflammation and oxidative stress during the night. Research shows that nearly half of seniors are deficient in selenium, leading to a state where the brain becomes hypersensitive to nighttime stress hormones. A 2022 study from the University of Naples, which followed over 1,200 older adults, discovered that those with low selenium levels were 42% more likely to wake up multiple times during the night. Selenium powers glutathione peroxidase, a master antioxidant enzyme that neutralizes oxidative stress. This stress naturally peaks in the early morning hours. Without sufficient selenium, your body fails to suppress this internal friction, causing a premature surge of cortisol that snaps you awake. Furthermore, selenium is the primary activator for your thyroid gland. Your thyroid manages your metabolic thermostat. When selenium is low, the body struggles to convert the inactive hormone T4 into active T3. This creates a devastating biological paradox. You feel exhausted and sluggish during the day, yet your nervous system remains overactive at night. You are tired but wired because your internal clock is no longer synchronized. The action plan. Precision is vital. The ideal intake for biological resilience is between 100 and 200 micrograms per day. Brazil nuts are the most potent natural source, but because soil quality varies, you should limit yourself to just 1 nut every other day to avoid toxicity. If you choose a supplement, look for selenomethionine, as it is highly bioavailable for the aging digestive tract. Take your selenium in the morning with breakfast to align with your thyroid's natural peak activity. Number 4, potassium. While most people associate potassium with simple muscle cramps, its true role in longevity is the electrical stability of your heart. For the senior body, potassium is the fundamental regulator that ensures your cardiac rhythm remains steady during the night. Research published in the journal Sleep Medicine shows that even a minor 3 to 5% drop in potassium levels can cause microarrhythmias while you sleep. You might not feel a full heart palpitation, but your brain detects this electrical instability as a life-threatening threat. In response, it triggers an emergency adrenaline release to wake you up and protect you. The reality for those over 60 is that modern medicine often works against this mineral. Many common blood pressure medications and diuretics act as potassium leeches, draining your reservoir daily. Furthermore, a high-sodium diet directly pushes potassium out of your cells, making your nerves more reactive. To fix this, do not reach for high-dose potassium pills first, as excessive supplemental potassium can be hard on the kidneys. Instead, use a nutritional approach. A snack consisting of half an avocado or a small banana, taken roughly 2 hours before bed, provides the slow-release potassium your heart needs to stay calm. Equally important is avoiding high-sodium meals at dinner. Excessive salt acts like a biological barrier to potassium's ability to stabilize your nerves. Number 3, zinc. While many seniors view zinc primarily as an immune booster, its true role in the context of longevity is acting as a neural stabilizer. If you wake up at 3 a.m. and immediately find your mind beginning to race, replaying conversations or worrying about the future, you are likely dealing with a profound zinc deficiency. Zinc is a mandatory cofactor for the production of GABA, which is your brain's primary inhibitory neurotransmitter. In simpler terms, GABA is your brain's brake pedal. It tells your neurons to slow down and enter a state of tranquility. Without enough zinc, your brain stays in a state of glutamate dominance. Glutamate is the gas pedal, the excitatory chemical that keeps your mind alert and thinking. A landmark study from Kyunghee University discovered that low zinc intake is a direct biological predictor of nighttime awakenings. Furthermore, zinc maintains the integrity of your blood-brain barrier, preventing systemic inflammation from causing mental chatter during the night. How to fix this? The senior body absorbs zinc most efficiently in the evening, roughly 2 hours after your last meal. Aim for 20 to 30 milligrams of zinc picolinate or zinc glycinate. These chelated forms are far gentler on the digestive lining. However, avoid the mineral collision. Do not take zinc and calcium together, as they compete for the same absorption pathways and effectively cancel each other out.
Number 2. Calcium. There is a common misunderstanding that calcium is only for bone density, but in the context of sleep architecture, calcium is the structural requirement for converting the amino acid tryptophan into melatonin. Melatonin tells your body not just when to fall asleep, but more importantly, how to stay asleep. As we cross the age of 60, our parathyroid function, the system managing calcium levels, becomes less efficient. Around 3 a.m., every human experiences a natural biological dip in blood calcium. If your internal reservoir is already low, this dip triggers a biological alert. Instead of remaining in a state of repair, your brain drifts into a shallow, restless state, often accompanied by leg twitches or an inability to find a comfortable position. The mistake many seniors make is relying on cheap calcium carbonate supplements. These are poorly absorbed and can lead to arterial calcification. For the man over 60, focus on bioavailable forms. How to fix this? Prioritize calcium from bioavailable food sources in your evening window. Plain Greek yogurt, sardines with bones, or dark leafy greens. If you choose to supplement, use calcium citrate. Unlike carbonate, citrate does not require stomach acid for absorption. Keep the dose low, around 200 milligrams, and take it roughly 2 hours before bed. When your calcium levels remain steady, the 3 a.m. threshold becomes invisible. Finally, we reach the cornerstone of your biological fortress, magnesium. This is the single most powerful predictor of whether you will conquer the 3 a.m. awakening. Magnesium is the off switch for your sympathetic nervous system, the system responsible for the fight or flight response. In the aging body, this system often gets stuck in the on position, keeping you in a state of constant, low-level vigilance. A massive 2023 study published in the journal Nutrients confirmed that magnesium deficiency was the strongest nutritional predictor of early morning awakenings, outperforming every other factor. Magnesium acts as a gatekeeper for your brain's NMDA receptors, preventing excitatory signals from overstimulating the brain. Without it, the natural rise in cortisol at 3 a.m. acts like a flood that instantly triggers your consciousness. Deficiency also leads to microtensions in your muscles, tiny contractions your brain interprets as a signal to stay alert. How to fix this? The form you choose is everything. Avoid magnesium oxide. Its 4% absorption rate makes it nearly useless for sleep. You require magnesium glycinate. The glycine molecule acts as an additional neural stabilizer, providing a double-layered calming effect. Take 300 to 400 milligrams roughly 60 minutes before bed. And here's a professional secret: warm your hands and feet. Research shows that magnesium utilization increases significantly when peripheral blood flow is optimized. Master this switch, and the 3 a.m. window becomes a time of repair, not awakening. So, here's your action blueprint. To reclaim your nights, you must balance these 5 pillars: selenium for your thyroid, potassium for your heart, zinc for your nerves, calcium for your melatonin, and magnesium as your master off switch. This isn't just about sleep, it's about reclaiming the authority over your own body. You have worked too hard and built too much to let a simple nutrient deficiency dictate your energy, your mood, or your health. You deserve a recovery that matches the weight of the life you've built. Do not accept chronic fatigue as an inevitable part of aging. That is a narrative we must reject. When you provide your system with the precise minerals it is screaming for, you unlock a level of vitality that most men believe is gone forever. The 3 a.m. battle is a fight you are now equipped to win. Starting tonight, stop merely getting old and start mastering your recovery. You have the science, now take the action. If you are ready to stop surviving the night and start mastering it, comment 3 a.m. below. Tell us which of these 5 minerals was the missing piece for you. Your insight could be the breakthrough another man in this community needs. Like this video if it gave you clarity, and subscribe to join a brotherhood of men who refuse to let age define their limits. Vitality after 60. Strength doesn't fade, it evolves.